All right, welcome back once again on our Wednesday night. Taking a look at our first alert weather day, just a couple hours left, and we can basically rule out most of this. Really focusing now on blowing snow and low visibility. That will continue as the winds continue to be strong. They're going to lessen up, slacken up a little bit overnight tonight, but still going to be enough to blow that snow around. Also, hazardous travel with icy, snowy roads, and yes, that is something we'll continue to see tomorrow morning as you head to work as well. Those spots that are slick right now, most of them are going to stay that way. Take a look at our peak wind gusts today. These numbers, the one exception, I'll say Devils Lake's got 52. We actually had a report out there of 66 in Devils Lake, but Carrington 64 miles per hour, Jamestown 60 miles per hour. You look off to our west, Minot, Harvey at 58 and 63 respectively. Once you get east of the Red River Valley, that's where we saw wind gusts only in the teens, mid to upper 20s. Still very breezy, but not nearly as strong. Right now, winds out of the northwest. Gusts as high as 33 Fargo, also Jamestown, 22 in Detroit Lake. So again, not as strong, but winds are still coming out there for sure. Fargo, cloudy conditions, 27 degrees. Feels like 12 when you factor in that northwest wind sustained at 24 miles per hour. Moorhead coming in at 27 degrees as well. Grand Forks at 30 degrees right now, also under a cloudy sky, feels like 17. So actual air temperatures, again, were as cool as 21 Oaks, Jamestown. You can see Devils Lake, Langdon 23. Check this out, though. Staying above the freezing mark. Roseau 34, Baudette 38 degrees. Far cry from the 21 we're sitting at in Jamestown. Now factor in the wind chill here. Feels like single digits for Jamestown and Oaks. Feels like 8 Devils Lake. And again, Baudette feels like 33. So Baudette's winning as far as that goes. Satellite and radar image, snow really beginning to taper off here. Still a few snowflakes here and there, but by and large, again, done with the snow at this point. Closer look here, not finding much at all. With that in mind, visibility also in most areas looking better. Again, saw that blowing snow, that snow coming down, made visibility poor at times. Now we're looking at Detroit Lakes. That's one area where visibility is still pretty poor, but a little less than 2-mile visibility, which isn't horrible. It's just not as good as what we're seeing the rest of the area. So first alert forecast moving into the overnight hours and into your Thursday morning is going to be chilly. Temperatures down in the teens. The farther west you go here, we're still seeing mid-20s, upper 20s. You get to Lakes Country, but again, wind still out of the northwest. Again, not as strong, but still breezy tomorrow morning. Going to be breezy throughout the day tomorrow, northwest wind. Temperature's not going to go very far. We're going to have generally cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. So again, the slick roads, nothing's going to melt out there tomorrow. So we're going to be dealing with, again, the continuation of sidewalks, roads, that sort of thing. Certainly snowy and slick. Cloudy conditions continue tomorrow evening as well. Lows tomorrow as cool as 16 Langdon, 17 Devils Lake, as warm as 30 Roseau, 29 in Bemidji. Most falling in the mid-20s there tomorrow afternoon. Highs not really going anywhere. The low of 30 in Bemidji, also the high of 30 tomorrow. Now, first alert forecast jumping into Saturday night, Sunday, Monday morning. We're watching one of our weather models here showing some snow passing through the region, impacting especially the northern half of the region. Right now, at this point, it looks like snow that we see is going to be very light. Not going to amount to a whole lot, but something we'll certainly keep an eye on as it will add to what we have on the ground right now. Friday, a little more sunshine, 28, 26 on Saturday, 30 Sunday. And then again, we continue to see next week kind of another transition down in terms of, okay, now we're at 24 for a high Wednesday, 21 on Thanksgiving Day, and then teens for highs Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
That's generous, you calling it sunshine. That's
well,
so nice.
I like using words like that sometimes. I know.
You gotta look on the bright side.
Exactly.
Coming up, a Democratic shakeup following the election is kind of going